If you've never taken off or replaced your extruder or nozzle, then the first thing you gotta do, or I'm just gonna show you for this part, is take off the casing. Okay, let me get some more torque. Okay, for the Neptune 3, it has just 2 screws up here. That one's out. Make sure you don't drop them and lose them, or else you're cooked. Up, just like that. And now this will come off very carefully because it does have a wire connected. The fan wire here. Pull this out. There we go. You can take the silicone. There you go, the silicone casing. Just drop it somewhere on your bed that you don't lose it. You have to heat your nozzle to about 210, 205. That's gonna soften the filament that I have left over in there. If you can see that, the black filament, that's actually PC, so I might have to go a little hotter. In here, it's on now. I have it set to 230. So you might need something like this to hold the heating block because it's the heating block, which means it's hot. You're gonna take both wrenches, or if you have pliers, no, those will work too. All right, if you're looking down on it, then you're gonna go clockwise. If you were looking up, you'd go counterclockwise. Mine is already loose because I started a bit. I think it's starting to come out. It's definitely stripped the wrench a little bit. We're just gonna keep turning. Keep on twisting. I could probably do that with my hand now. Keep on turning it until it comes all the way out. There we go. We got it out. Now you can pop the new one on there. It's gonna go pop. I'm trying to be quick about it before the heat really turns up on that. Now I'm just gonna use the wrench again to tighten it. There we go. And then you got yourself a new nozzle on there. But you always want to level your bed, re-level it after every time you change out the extruder, or you change out this entire hotbed, or whatever you change out, always make sure that you re-level your bed because there's going to be a slight difference in each nozzle set.